Okay everyone, okay everyone, you know, I have this car here. I'm gonna show you. It doesn't start, but this one doesn't have a rev meter. Okay, this is corsa lite 1.4. so this car doesn't start. Okay, actually it starts, but it only starts when I press my foot on the gas. Let me show you. See, my foot are not on the gas. When I'm gonna crank it, now it's on. Hear that? Now check this out. Check. See, it doesn't start. So I'm gonna put my foot. Check when I put my foot on the gas now. See, now it starts. Now it starts. See. Thank you. I have to go. Now I have to go. Thank you guys.